Hi Zainab, welcome to the recorded class for our nursery level online class. Remember, I am Teacher Bell and I am your teacher for the online class, and this, remember, is your recorded class. So how about let's start with our calendar and let's check what do we have here. Our date today, it is November 14, 2024. That's our date for today. And in our calendar, 1 and 4, that's 14. And this is our date today, November 14. It falls on a Thursday. So let's remove this one on the screen and let's go to another part of our class, and that is to count our numbers from 1 to 25. So how about I'll check the number for you and you can count with me. So let's start with the first one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We have 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So those are the numbers that we counted from 1 to 25. Now let me erase the writings on the screen and let's make the screen big also, so that you can see what's on our screen here. So we have our number friends for today. The number friends that we have the number 6, 7, and 8. So these are the numbers 6, 7, and 8. And let's jump to remembering how to write them. Now, if you have your board with you, your whiteboard marker and eraser, you get to also trace, just like me, on your board, trace and write. So how about I move this one? I'll put it here on the bottom so that you can see our numbers. So the first number that we will need to practice writing is for the number 6. You make a curve, then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Again, you make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Last one, make a curve and then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. So we have our number 6. This is number 6. Did you make your number 6 there on your board? Or if you don't have a board, you can use a piece of paper or a pad paper and you can write your number there. So this one again, we have our number 6. Okay, next, let's erase this one. What about the number 7? So remember our 7, across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. How about again? Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So we have our number 7 here on the screen. Okay, now that we're done with 7, let's jump to another number. And this time, the next number that we can also do is the number 8. So here, how do we make an 8 first? You make an S and do not wait. You go back up and that's an 8. You make an S and do not wait. You go back up and that's an 8. You make an S and do not wait. Go back up. That's an 8. You make an S and do not wait. Go back up and that's an 8. So we have our number 8. Let's erase this one. And how about let's jump to our game time. So let me go back to our screen, the other screen here. And let's try to do counting scenes. So can you help me? Let's count all the numbers, all the things, and you tell me how many you have found on the screen. So here it says, oops, let me fix this one. I have to move something out of the screen here. How many flowers in the flower pot? So what do you think? How many did we have here on the screen? How many flowers in the flower pot? There's only there's only what? How many? Only one. There's only one flower in the flower pot. Okay, the next one. Let's get to do another picture this time. How many buttons on the shirt? Let's mark and count. One, two, and three. There's only three. This is number three. We have three buttons on the shirt. Okay, another one. What's our next picture? How many sheep do we have here? Let's count. One, two, three, and four. There's four sheep. So how does four look like when you write it? A line down to the right. You go back up, line down. That's four. I see four sheep in the field. Let's erase and let's go do another one. Another set will include our kites. So let's check them. How many kites are in the sky? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. There's seven kites. So how do we make seven? Remember, you add a line at the top, you slide down from heaven. That's your number seven. So there's seven kites. Next, let's do another set. How many spiders do you see in the web? We have one and two. So there's two. Number two. Is this number two? Yes, that's two. Let's jump to another set. This time, how many ducks are on the river? One, two, three, four, five, and six. So we have six. How do we make six? You go make a curve and a loop. You go back inside. That is our number six. So there's six ducks. Okay, next set. Done already with the six ducks. Let's go do our stars in the sky. So how many do you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. So what I'm doing, I am marking while I count so that I can remember how many I have here. So I see 10 stars, one and a zero. That is 10. I see 10 stars. Let's erase this one. Let's move to the other picture. Okay, how many apples do you see? We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight. We have eight apples. So let's make eight. Go make an S. Do not wait. Go back up. That's number eight. Do you see? That's number eight. Let's erase number eight. And let's go do another set this time. How many fish are in the sea? We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. That is nine. Nine, number nine. There are nine fish. So let's erase. Let's go do another one. How many deck chairs are on the beach? Let's mark and count for them. One, two, three, four, and five. So that's five. What does 5 look like? How do we write it? Lying down, make a big belly, and don't forget the hat. That's your number 5. So I have here 5 deck chairs. How many pants are on the washing line? So maybe let's count them all. The underwear, one, two, three, four, five, and six. There are six underwear or undergarments. That's six of them. The next set. What about our cats? How many do you see? Let's count. One, two, and three. There's three cats in the kitchen. How about another set? Another picture for our game. How many monsters are in the garden? So these ones are the friendly ones. Let's count. One, two, three, and four. So there's four. Number four. Four monsters in the garden. Let's jump to another set. How many frogs are on the log? We have one, two, three, four, and five. That's five. Five frogs are on the log, taking a rest, a break. What about the snowmen outside? Let's count them. One, two, and three. So there's three snowmen that you can find outside. Excuse me. Let's go back to the next one. Okay, let me erase this one. And let's count the gifts inside our, oops, sorry, under the tree. So let's count. One, two, three, four, five. There are five gifts under the tree. Okay, next one. How many cookies are on the cake stand? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. There's eight cookies. That's number eight. How many children are in the classroom? Let's mark and count. One, two, three, four, and five. So there are five children in the classroom. That's five of them. Another one. How many cars do you see in the road? There's only one. One car in the road. How many bugs do you see in the log? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. There's eight bugs around the log. That's eight. And that ends our game. Let's go back to the next part of our class. We did already our counting game. Now, how about let's work on our worksheet? So let's do our number sense work and let's go do our number six. So I have here our number six work. And before I start with working on the screen, I want you to please write your name on all the pages of your book there. We will start with the number six worksheet up to the number seven worksheet. Now, before I also start with this one, if I am too fast, please pause this video and play it again once you are done. Now, I will proceed and I will continue on in making our number six work on the screen. Start with your name, remember that, and I will trace for six. So remember, this is six and the word six, S-I-N-X, six. You get to trace your number six, the big six, and trace the small 6. Number 6. So this is how your work should look like, the number 6. Let me erase. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to the next part, and that is to find our number 6. You have to circle all the number 6 in our worksheet. So you start by column. The first column, there's 6. The second one, another 6. Third one, how many 6? There's only one. And then another one, there's 2. You go here to the fourth column. There's 1, 6. And the last one, last column, this is also 6. So we found all our number 6. Now, if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. And let's go trace for our number 6. Trace 6 and write for 6 S, I, and the letter X, that's the word 6. I want you to color for our number 6 fish. There are 6 fish in our screen or worksheet. So this is 5 and the last one. And this is the sixth one. Okay, now it says here in the instruction, color the 6 blue. Where is your color blue? You get to color all your 6 blue. Let's follow the instruction. So we have this one. This is 6. Another one. And this one as well. So here we have all of the number 6. Okay, next. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings on the screen. And I'll jump to tracing for our number 6. So remember, you get to trace your number 6, the big 6, and the smaller 6. So trace all of your 6. Trace your 6. Continue tracing 6. Okay, so we have our number 6. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one and let's move on to this page. Now, trace all of your number 6, just like what I am doing here on the screen. Remember, you have to make a curve, go in, a loop for your number 6. You have to remember number 6 has a big belly. So this is how you make your number 6. Let's continue making our number 6. You go around, make a big belly. This is how you do your number 6. So here we have all our number 6. Now let's erase for all the number 6 and let's clean this one up. If you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now for the next work, Zainab, we're going to trace for the number 6 and the word 6. Trace all of your 6 also in this space and you get to write your 6. Later on, I'll also show you how to draw your diamonds. Trace 6 and the word 6S, I, and the letter X, that's 6. Again, we have to make 6 also trace for all your number 6. You have to trace this one. You go around and go in. And remember, your number 6 has a big belly. So you need to also do this one. Number 6. You have to go to the number 6. Now for the diamonds, remember, the top of your diamond is sharp. It's an upside down volcano or an upside down V. And then letter V at the bottom. Upside down V and V at the bottom. Upside down V and letter V at the bottom. Now, how many did I draw? One, two, three. There's only three. I need to add three more to make 6. Upside down volcano and V. Upside down volcano and letter V. Upside down volcano and the letter V. So now I have the the 6 diamonds. Now, if you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one on our screen because I'll move on to do this page in 42, and that is to trace 6, write the word, and write the digit. So let's do it together, and I'll show you on the screen. You go around, you go in your 6, S-I-X, that's our word 6. It says to write the word. Let's spell it out. Remember, the letters in 6 are all alligator letters. Put them all under the dotted line, S-I-N-X. This is how you write 6. Write the digit, that's the number. You go around, make a loop, go in, that's number 6. Let's draw all the 6 in the 10 frame. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 number 6 on our work. Now it says here to color 6, we'll need 6 fish. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 fish. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. And let's go jump to the number 7. Remember, we'll need two works for today, number 6 and number 7. So let's do your number 7. How do we make 7? Remember, there's a top and you slide down. Number 7. Spell for 7. S, E, V, E, and the letter N, that is 7. You go at the top, slide down, that's your number 7. At the top, slide down. At the top, slide down. At the top, slide down. You make all of your number 7s on your book there. So we have our number 7. Now, if you are done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, Play it again once you are done. Let's erase and let's jump to finding our number 7. So you have to circle all the number 7s in your worksheet. Let's do it by column. I want you to check the first column, that's 1. Second column, that's 2 and 3. Third column, there's no 7. Fourth column, you have 1, 2, 3. And the last one, we have this one, 1, 7. Now, if you're done with working on this page, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. Let's jump to this work, and that is to trace for number 7. Trace for 7, trace the word 7. S, T, V, E, and the letter N to make the word 7. Now, let's get to color our hearts. You'll need 7 hearts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there's 7 hearts already. Now, it says here, color the sevens brown. You have to color your number 7. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. 4 number 7s, and you should have colored it brown. Now, if you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. And I'll jump to doing our number 7 on the screen again. This time you trace. How do we make our 7? Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So trace all your number 7s, the big 7 and the small 7s. Try to follow your lines, the dotted lines for your number 7. This is how you will make your number 7. Remember, across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So you have your number 7. Now, if you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. For the next one, let's go trace again for 7. Let's follow our dotted line. Trace all your 7s. Remember, across the sky and down from heaven, all you need is number 7. So it's going out from heaven, down from heaven. You have your number 7. Let's continue tracing for your number 7. Continue tracing. You have your number 7. Some more. Across the sky and down from heaven. All you need is the number 7. So this is our number 7. There you go, number 7. Let's erase this one. If you're done with the work for this page, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to the next one. And this time, it's time for you to trace again for 7 and the word 7. So let's trace 7 and spell it out. Trace it S-E-V-E-N. and then 7. Number 7. Trace your 7 straight at the top and slide down across the sky and down from heaven. All you need is the number 7. Okay. Almost done. We'll get to also draw the heart. So how do we write or draw the heart? You go to the side and curve and the other side again, and it should be pointy at the end. So that's 1 and 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Then 6. And what do we need? It should be 7. And 7. There you go, 7 hearts. Now, how about for the next page? If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one and let's go jump to this work. Okay, let's trace for 7 again and spell out for 7 S E V E and N the word 7. We have to write the word 7 S E V E N. That's the word 7. Write the digit 7. Let's draw 7 in the 10 frame. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what about we color for our numbers? Sorry, the hearts, you need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 hearts. Now, if you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Are you done with this one? I love to erase first the writings on the screen, Zainab. And how about I show you what a good job you did if you finished the work for today. Thank you for finishing the work today. If you finished it, Zainab, and you need to look for the sticker friend that you want. So I have here the sticker friends. You get to choose one and see we have all the Sanrio friends. And how about if you haven't checked the sticker friends and chose one, please pause the video. I'll count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if you're done, I think I have to end the class for today and I'll see you again. Bye bye.